In the forest I proudly stand, with colors bright and grand. Watch my feathers as they fan. I'm the peacock, nature's clan. Colors of the rainbow I wear with glee. I can talk and mimic, come chat with me. In the treetops I swing and play. A parrot's life is bright all day. Small and swift I fly so free, hovering over flowers, sipping sweetly. My wings are fast, a humming sound. In the garden I'm always found, with legs so long and feathers pink. My voice so fast, a humming sound. In the garden I'm always found, with legs so long and feathers pink. By the water's edge I stand and think, graceful and elegant I wade through streams, living a flamingo's life of dreams. In the icy land I slide and glide, with friends and family by my side. In my tuxedo I dive and play. A penguin's life is fun all day. From the forest, sky and sea, we sing a tune of harmony. Different colors, shapes and sounds, in nature's beauty joy abounds. Children, keep this magic near.